Alright guys, Nick Drosos and welcome to Code Red Defense. Today we're going to look at how to use a tactical flashlight. Now I love these things. First of all, Pat, you ever had one flash in your eyes?
Not as big.
Right, ready? So right, and there's lights on, right? So imagine right now, the guy's got a knife and I'm out here and I do this. Look what I'm getting. It's even better than pepper spray because as soon as I flash it in his eyes, he's going to move. If he moves forward, boom, I'm hammering with this part, okay? I can strike him here, I can strike him there, I can pick up the flashlight. I'm still using my legs and keeping him back. At the same time, the same way I keep it in stick fighting, I'm going to flash it to the people in the camera. Look at that, right? So I can flash, strike here, strike there, boom. I could also hold it this way and hammer into the face, right? Boom, 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 right? But I prefer here, which means I can flash, I can keep my hand up, I can keep the weapon protected, I can use my legs, and I can strike any way I want. If he gets in close, I'll use this here as a pressure point into the body, into the face, into scraping it up as well. So a great tool, and what's great about it, keep it in your house, keep it in your car. Cop stops you, sir, why do you have a flashlight? Well, case of emergency. It's not like you're carrying a baseball bat. So it's a really good tool to keep one in your car, next to your bed. And again, it's just an extension of your arm. Don't become dependent of it, but if you have it, just use it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to learn more self-defense, we have a video on improvised weapon. Guys, this is one of my favorite videos. So click the link in the description box, Improvised Weapons. Go visit our website, codereddefense.com. Stay safe and stand strong.